activity remains quiet at Kilauea volcano despite a 5.5 magnitude earthquake last month. Kaea Lyons from Big Island Now has an update.
The Hawaiian Volcano Observatory reports that Kilauea volcano is quiet. Monitoring data over the past 8 months since the lava activity has ceased has shown relatively low rates of seismicity, deformation, and gas emission at the summit and East Rift Zone, including the area of the 2018 eruption that began in May.
Despite these changes, Hawaii Island residents and visitors should be aware that some hazardous conditions remain. The lower East Rift Zone and Pu'u'o'o lava flow fields include large areas of still warm, rugged, extremely sharp, and unstable lava surfaces that are subject to collapse. New lava sea cliffs along the shoreline could become unstable. Locally, higher concentrations of sulfur dioxide or hydrogen sulfide may persist around Fissure 8. Thick accumulations, fragmental volcanic debris, hide underground hazards such as holes and cracks, and even collapsed houses and water tanks. Kilauea volcano, as well as the entire island of Hawaii, remains an area of ongoing earthquake hazard. Additional aftershocks from May 4th, 2018, magnitude 6.9 quake, and the March 13th, 2019, magnitude 5.5 earthquake are expected. Some could be damaging.
The Hawaiian Volcano Observatory continues to closely monitor incoming geologic, seismic, deformation, and gas data. For KHON2 News on Hawaii Island, I am Kaea Lyons with Big Island Now.